Out of 1,500 cancer centers all across the country, only 72 of them have been designated as a National Cancer Institute. Today, the Wilmot Cancer Institute here in Rochester became number 73.
News 10 NBC investigative reporter Jennifer Lukey spoke with leaders about what the prestigious designation means for patients, doctors, and the future of cancer research locally.
Cancer touches everyone in some way, whether you've had it or are fighting it now, or you know someone who has. The doctors here at Wilmot have treated hundreds of thousands of patients locally over the years. And with this new designation, they say they'll be able to reach even more. More people like little Noah, who is battling leukemia right now.
The nurses and the staff there really became our second family, and it was incredible. They really made the best out of a terrible situation for us.
Designates us as one of the elite cancer centers in the world.
Today, that second family celebrated a national designation that comes with a $10 million grant now and puts Wilmot to the front of the line for future research funding.
Is there anything specific where your researchers want to start that they haven't been able to access the money for, or have been waiting for this designation?
Yeah, I think our biggest area that universally our basic scientists and clinicians are excited about is an area called developmental therapeutics, which is creating an infrastructure to more rapidly translate laboratory discoveries into the clinic.
It will also expand the number of clinical trials that will be available to patients currently fighting cancer.
Cancer is moving so quickly as a field that having access to the cutting-edge treatment and bringing that treatment here to Rochester often before it's available anyplace else is part of what this designation is about.
Noah's mom knows just how important that is.
Noah was part of a clinical trial, actually, so we're so grateful that he was able to get treatment from that and receive the best care possible. And so now going forward, being able to give that to other people and have them experience that too on their journeys is amazing.
Chris Costello also had cancer as a child.
We worked with the doctors here that actually got me into an experimental study in Sloan Kettering in New York City.
And all that travel was tough. He's glad to see that part of the fight would no longer be necessary.
Wouldn't have to travel to New York City for like 6 months, and yeah, could have it here now.
Wilmot's new designation makes it a premier cancer research and treatment center, a place where people from across the nation may now come for treatment and trials. The team at Wilmot dropped that banner you see behind me right there, letting folks know about their new designation. And then shortly after, they all went right back to work, fighting cancer in our community. In Rochester, Jennifer Lukey, News 10 NBC.